Hi everyone, I'm Ryan Foley presenting this study on behalf of Daniel Abdelmalek from Ontario Tech University's Occupational Neuromechanics and Ergonomics Lab. The purpose of this study was to evaluate localized muscle fatigue responses at 3 different points along the upper extremity ergonomics threshold limit values curve, particularly looking to see if there was equitable muscle fatigue between these 3 points as they utilize different duty cycles or the percentage of time worked and different percentage of maximal effort output or the amount of effort that muscle is working at. So again, the TLV curve differs slightly from another accepted model, the MAE curve particular in the high duty cycle range. So what we wanted to do was compare these 3 different points to see if they actually result in equitable muscle fatigue, especially when looking at different measures than the curve is based on, such as performance decrement and other objective measures such as surface EMG amplitude and mean power frequency. We hypothesized that there would be a difference between workloads as different duty cycles have different underlying factors that result in fatigue. We had participants perform this isometric elbow flexion task pictured here at the different duty cycles, again shown here. We collected baseline MVCs to get that performance decrement measure and had the participants work at their workload, and then we collected surface EMG as well as perceived fatigue measures. If we scroll down to results here, we can see that there was a main effect of time on strength, again showing that participants did fatigue over the 1 hour protocol, which is good. If we want to study fatigue, we have to induce it. However, there was a much larger performance decrement in the high duty cycle condition. We didn't see a change necessarily in EMG amplitude between any of the duty cycles, but again, the high duty cycle did result in a larger fatigue metric, the decrease in mean power frequency compared to the other conditions. This was underscored by a non-difference in the ratings of perceived exertion, again showing that participants rated the fatigue the same, but what we can conclude is that we should avoid high duty cycle ranges when using the TLV to prescribe ergonomic work.